Material Things with Art Mozo. I am Siddharth and today we'll be talking to Sonal and Vaibhav, the founders of EcoDeco, the recycle company. They manufacture beautiful decor items from the plastic waste. So stay tuned till the end to understand different kinds of plastic, how these plastic can be harmful to the nature and what can be done on an individual level to help the environment be a better place. And definitely how EcoDeco is doing this. This podcast is presented by Art Mozo, which is a platform for architects and designers to explore various building materials, order samples for those materials, and get the samples delivered at their doorsteps within 48 hours for free. So, subscribe right now for more such insightful conversations, and let's get started.
Hi everybody, I'm Sonal, co-founder of obviously EcoDeco. So I like to, introduce myself as an electronics engineer turned into an entrepreneur. So my background is in electronics and communication engineering. I did my bachelor's and master's in that.
Okay.
So yeah, I did my master's from NIT Kurukshetra, and
Okay.
there I met Vaibhav actually, and like at that point of time ecodeco was not started, but yeah, we can say that it somehow started like that. So yeah, so Vaibhav can introduce himself and then we can talk about how exactly ecodeco came into existence.
Sure, sure.
Hi, I am Vaibhav. I did my BTech in civil engineering and master's in environmental engineering. I'm having an
Okay.
environmental background. So we started this company with a motive to reduce the plastic menace we have created.
Uh-huh. So, what is before
Yeah.
that? What is environmental engineering? I don't know anything about that.
Like
In environmental
the
engineering,
civil
like,
is about construction and all na. So in
Uh-huh.
civil, I think like Vaibhav had actually given me this, like had told me like what is this? कि उसमें क्या होता है कि then when you are like studying construction, so there are multiple factors कि water मतलब एक road बननी है तो तुम्हें देखना पड़ेगा कि पानी कैसे जा रहा है and all those things and
Hmm.
different aspects of that. So in
Hmm.
that sense, you study environmental engineering there. And I guess
Okay.
like जैसे हमने मान लो technology, I'm from electronics background, but we learn this managerial courses also. So
Okay.
I think उसमें इनका ज़्यादा part आ जाता है because you have to involve these things, so you have to take care of the environmental aspects also. So I
Mm-hmm.
that's just my understanding. Vaibhav knows better, so yeah.
like that, there is a we have to see the sorry, environmental engineering मतलब क्या होता है कि इसमें हमको ये देखना रहता है जैसे फैक्ट्रीज है फैक्ट्रीज
Mm-hmm.
से वो लोग अगर पानी को यूज कर रहे हैं तो वो
Mm-hmm.
पानी को यूज करके एसटीपी के थ्रू मतलब उसको ट्रीट करके वहां
Mm-hmm.
से जाना है मतलब पानी को हम डिस्पोज कर रहे हैं जो वो क्लीन
Mm-hmm.
वाटर हो तो जो
अच्छा
उसकी
अच्छा अच्छा।
ट्रीटमेंट वगैरह है उसको हम डिजाइन करते हैं लाइक व्हाट एयर एयर में भी अगर हम एयर को मतलब पॉल्यूट कर रहे हैं लाइक
हाँ
कोई
हाँ हाँ
फैक्ट्रीज है जो एयर पॉल्यूशन हो रहा है तो
हाँ
उसको हम
हाँ
किस
हाँ।
तरीके से रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं क्या क्या किस तरीके से चैम्बर्स बना के हम उसको रिड्यूस करते हैं यही सब है इन्वायरमेंटल इंजीनियरिंग में
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, मतलब
हाँ
along with the construction और जो भी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग वगैरह हो रही है उसके along taking care of the environment, that's what basically you guys do.
Exactly. So there's
Okay.
like what water resources and multiple factors are also like involved in that.
हेलो
तो
Mm-hmm.
उसमें भी फिर like आगे जाके further क्या बोलते हैं उसको discrimination होता है, like somebody is reading like learning water वाला thing and somebody is
Mm-hmm.
into proper environment वैसे वैसे. So
Mm-hmm.
that's like since it is related to civil, so that is how it's coming the environmental engineering.
Got it, got it, got it. So, like coming to the further things that you're saying about EcoDeco, how did you? What's the story behind EcoDeco? How did you end
So
up
yeah,
starting
like
it?
yeah. So basically, like we both were, doing our masters in NIT Kurukshetra, and there we met. And like Vaibhav had this thing, like since he was studying environmental engineering, so he was very much, into that, and he
Mm-hmm.
always wanted to like do something, like wanted to go in business domain. So he had this
Mm-hmm.
idea कि उसको job वाब नहीं पकड़नी है, and he had to do something
Mm-hmm.
in this domain only. And
Got it.
Of course he had his interest in environment, this is why he was pursuing that. So
हाँ.
he was कि मेरे को कुछ environment के related and ऐसा ऐसा करना है, he had some understanding actually, and he used to share those ideas with me. And
Okay,
very
okay.
interesting thing happened, like जैसे like we went for a trip, like a group of friends, and in Himachal actually, like I love telling this story to everyone, like
I can
how
see
this
that
thing
from your face
Yeah.
and your expressions. It is
yeah,
so much
because
liking you.
I mean, um, I also want to tell this कि please मत करो ये चीजें, if at all like people like us are listening to this, like
हाँ
आप वहां जा रहे हो and हमारे जैसे लोग ही जा रहे हैं बहुत पढ़े लिखे, मतलब ठीक है,
हाँ
हमारे मम्मी
हाँ
पापा वाली जो जनरेशन है usually they go to religious places and all those things.
हाँ
Now
हाँ हाँ.
we are, our generation is very much into trekking and all, and then
हम्म,
आप
Yeah.
वहां जाके फिर आप वहां पे भी कचरा फैला के आ रहे हो, तो why
Hmm.
are you doing this? So
True.
at that point of time some thoughts were there, like some that that thing was very striking to us. And then
हम्म.
Weber, since Weber was into this, so he actually told me the technicalities of this, कि इसका क्या मतलब तरीका होता है, how people need to dispose this and all those things. And this is how
Okay.
we started discussing. And
Yeah.
so I was doing my internship in a VLSI company. So I'm from electronics background and I was working there. And
हम्म.
this pandemic happened and all those, this the conversation even more like got serious even more, right?
हम्म.
Because pandemic, मतलब जब pandemic आया था, then people started talking about these things very much, कि
हाँ
क्या
हाँ
environment
Pollution and
protect
all.
करना है, ऐसे करना
हाँ
है
हाँ
ना.
हाँ.
So, like Weber was like कि अब we need to like do
Get
something
started
serious
now.
Do
now.
something for the
Yeah,
environment.
True.
yeah. So
Yeah.
remember Weber, you were saying कि now our degree is going to be complete, so we should at least now start and do something in that domain. And I had this मतलब मेरा थोड़ा social causes से रहा है initially, like starting से ही I have
हाँ
been
हाँ.
like into that. So this is how we like I got into this, and Weber का
हम्म.
idea, and I kind
Hmm.
of helped him in implementing that. So this is how
हम्म.
we started out with that. So it was around August 2020, I guess,
Okay,
Yeah.
last year
when we
only.
Hmm.
last year only कि
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
मतलब ऐसे करना है.
Lockdown
Weber
में we
came
used to
initially.
Lockdown में we used to talk about issues like pollution के बारे में या कोई भी चीजों के बारे में हम बात करते थे. तो फिर यही डिस्कस हुआ कि हम करते हैं खुद ही स्टार्ट. पहला स्टेप हमको ही लेना पड़ेगा तब चीजें ठीक होगी.
True, true. Somebody has to do it. उसके बाद ही
Yeah.
लोग उसको
Exactly.
follow कर पाएंगे.
हाँ.
That's a really
Exactly.
great.
Even like yeah, like government is taking this like वो steps ले रहे हैं, but to implement and to let people know कि इतनी सारी चीजें हैं. Not only us, so many people like us have to come forward and have to take
Yeah.
these initiative and have to work on this particular field basically. So also like in the beginning when we were discussing कि exactly क्या करना है, right? कि ठीक है ये problem है and we want to do something in that, but क्या exactly? So I was doing this research initial point of time, at the initial point of time कि कुछ लाइक प्लास्टिक पोल्यूशन, मतलब प्लास्टिक पोल्यूशन को कम करने के लिए ठीक है ये है कि आप सिंगल यूज प्लास्टिक मत यूज करो और ऐसे करो वैसे करो, बट आर देयर समथिंग लाइक रिसाइकिल्ड से बने हुए कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स हैं क्या, कुछ मटेरियल है क्या? तो उतना चीजें अवेलेबल नहीं है. Like information है कि plastic pollution क्या है and all those things, but when you go to search sustainable products, so you will see like
It's
these
very
material
difficult to
jute,
find.
wood
हाँ
and
हाँ.
Yeah.
all those things है ना, कपड़े वपड़े आ जाएंगे organic और ऐसा वैसा, but you will not find recycled materials more as compared to that. So that was our like initial idea कि we have to go in this way, we have to work something around recycling and upcycling, and we have to make something out of that and present it in a way that it looks attractive.
True,
So
true. हाँ
that was the
मतलब
basic idea. So that is how Eco Deco came out.
eco
And
deco से क्या? Eco friendly
like
Decoration.
decor.
Eco is for
Okay.
eco-friendly
Yeah.
and then Deco is for decor. So
Decor.
that was the basic understanding.
हाँ हाँ
And
हाँ.
so yeah, this is how we started with Eco Deco.
And what has been the response from the audience? Like जिसको भी आप present करते हो, whoever is using our product,
or people get to know about it,
Mhm.
what is the response from their side? Are they readily accepting and using these products?
um uh, Up to some extent, yes. Like it depends ki what is the category. So like we are having this like our first product is these boards, right? Which
Hmm.
is for these for this architectural purpose or for designing purpose.
Hmm.
And
Hmm.
then there are some other products which we are making in house, and those we are selling to direct customers. So
Okay.
for those products the response is very good. That
Okay.
products
Okay.
which we are making and which we are selling, the response
Uh-huh.
for those products are very good because what do I say, because of the, I guess, story or the cause point that
Hmm.
is,
Hmm. Hmm.
getting in touch with the consumer. Since the consumer is the one who is taking this decision and they are taking the decision based on the facts, so this is why it is working out. For
Hmm.
the
Hmm. Hmm.
other part where we are trying to pitch or giving material to designers or something, there some constraints are there where we cannot say ki ha theek hai, like we are getting very good response in that sense.
Hmm. Hmm.
Maybe
Hmm. Got
Yeah,
it.
we are not right, we are not in touch with I would say like
the
अभी
right
तक maybe हमें
architectures
कोई
or
वैसा,
right design.
yeah,
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
yeah,
Hmm.
so
मतलब
that's the thing, so
there is a
response is
shift that
very
needs
good.
to happen. मतलब उनको भी they need to
Exactly,
understand the idea, the concept and the
Yeah,
product. So
actually
exactly.
they compare our material with the like
हम्म
wood,
हम्म हम्म, हाँ हाँ हाँ,
but it's
वो ऐसे
completely different
कंपैरिजन
from
नहीं
wood.
है.
Yeah,
ओके ओके, ठीक है, पर the usability is quite the same, मतलब whatever
yeah, it's
जो भी
similar, but
like strength, lifetime
hmm,
और वो सब चीजें whatever the other materials provide, your products also provide that.
yes,
Yeah,
it's
even
even
there are some
more.
plus. Yeah,
Yeah,
go ahead.
actually these ecoboards have more strength than wood, and
Okay, they have more strength.
yeah, yeah,
Okay.
and the wood needs मतलब कि उसको ऊपर से हमको अलग से फिनिशिंग करनी पड़ती है. इसमें
हाँ हाँ,
कोई फिनिशिंग की जरूरत नहीं है, इसको हम
वही.
एज इट इज हम यूज कर सकते हैं, और
अच्छा अच्छा
ये दोबारा से रिसाइकलेबल है.
अच्छा अच्छा, मतलब this was actually
Yeah,
something I was going to ask, like once the products, मतलब once anyone has bought the product, do you take it back, like once they have used it, do you take it back and recycle it again?
yeah,
So it
yeah,
has a like endless lifeline, मतलब even if they
yeah,
have used it, you can make another product out of it.
yeah, we
Exactly.
can
So
say that.
I would like to add one point here. Like our thought process goes like ki we have to provide a circular solution which is sustainable as
Hmm.
well. So
Hmm.
even though we are recycling, we are trying to making it recyclable as well, and we are
Hmm.
trying to provide this facility to our customers that they can give back to us, and we
Hmm.
can, because we know how it has been made and we know better कि कैसे recycle हम इसको और कर सकते हैं, right? Even
Hmm.
though we are mentioning कि what type of plastic it is and all those things in whenever we are delivering a product, but
Hmm.
still if that comes to us, the chance of getting it recycled like doubles up. So that's the
Increases.
thing. We are trying to still figuring out कि हम ये take back वाली जो चीज है, how to make it functional like
Hmm.
pan India wise.
Pan
Within
India.
Delhi तो we are okay, like we are telling our customers कि आप हमें दे दीजिए, we are we can pick it up or we can
Hmm.
schedule some one or the other way. But for pan India we are still figuring out कि हम वो कैसे करने वाले हैं.
Hmm.
But we are
So
very like we are mentioning कि this is recyclable and it can get
they can
recycled.
return it, like not to you, but any recycle company can take it.
Yeah,
Any
yeah,
any
yeah,
local recycler, yeah.
So you were mentioning something about the type of plastic.
Yeah.
Can you explain that? What do you mean by that?
So Vaibhav, would you like to take it?
yeah.
Since you know the
Actually,
technical parts of it.
actually, there are 7+ types of plastic,
Okay, okay,
and which need to be recycled differently. They cannot be mixed into one another. तो
okay, okay.
जैसे 7 से ज्यादा जो प्लास्टिक टाइप्स है उनको हमको पहले अलग अलग सॉर्टिंग करना पड़ता है.
अच्छा अच्छा.
कि जैसे इफ यू सी द पेट बॉटल, राइट, वाटर
हम्म
बॉटल.
हम्म.
जो पेट बॉटल होता है वो जो उसकी बॉडी होती है वो
हम्म.
टाइप 2 की बॉडी, वो टाइप 1 की बॉडी
Type
होती है.
1.
अच्छा.
उस पे प्लास्टिक पे अगर आप देखोगे तो उसमें नीचे उस पे टाइप लिखा रहता है 1 2 3
हम्म.
4 इस तरीके से. और जो
हम्म.
उसका कैप होती है, बॉटल
हम्म.
कैप, वो टाइप 2 की प्लास्टिक होती है। अब इसमें क्या है कि जो 1 और 2 टाइप की प्लास्टिक है, हमको 1 को अलग तरीके से रिसाइकल करना पड़ेगा और 2 को अलग तरीके से।
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, you have to segregate it differently.
या
अच्छा
तो
अच्छा अच्छा.
ये प्रोसेस रहता है, हर टाइप के प्लास्टिक को अलग से रिसाइकल करना पड़ता है। अगर हम उनको मिक्स कर देंगे तो उसकी रिसाइकिलिटी खत्म हो जाती है।
और ऐसा भी होता है कि ये रिसाइकल फर्दर हो भी नहीं सकते, ऐसा भी पॉइंट आता है इनमें?
हाँ, अगर वो
It is
आपस में
said कि
मिक्स हो गए।
हाँ, it is said कि it can be recycled up to 7 to 8 times. But
अच्छा.
what my take on that is कि if you are like एक प्रोडक्ट है, उसका लाइफ साइकिल 5 to 10 years है, मान लो मैंने उसको एक बार और रिसाइकिल किया, उसका लाइफ साइकिल फिर से 10 to 20 years या जितना भी है, तो कैन गो अप टू मल्टीपल टाइम्स। सो वो मतलब फेंक देने से तो बेटर है इफ यू कीप इट इन द लूप।
मतलब कन्वर्टिंग
या
इनटू, मतलब अभी वन टाइम यूज से इफ यू कन्वर्ट इनटू समथिंग दैट हैज अ लॉन्ग लाइफ, then it's better.
एग्जैक्टली
या
एग्जैक्टली।
Okay, okay, okay. So, coming to the next part, matlab, how do you get your raw materials? Matlab, raw materials तो obviously readily available everywhere, but what's the process of it? How do you procure your raw materials? How does that process look like?
So like you said na, it is readily available, even though it is available, but it is not easy to get hands on
Uh-huh.
that. So you
या
have to go through a process because
Okay.
like this is why, like I'll tell you something, like we are trying to focus on this thing, we are trying to create awareness about source segregation. So what source segregation is कि source पे ही आप जो ड्राई वेस्ट एंड वेट वेस्ट है उसको अलग कर दीजिए, सो दैट कि जो प्लास्टिक है वो आपका जो किचन वेस्ट या जो भी वेट वेस्ट जाता है आपके डस्टबिन में उसमें मिक्स ना हो, सो दैट यू कैन ज्यादा अमाउंट रिसाइकिल हो सके। क्योंकि जब वो मिक्स हो जाता है तो उसको सेपरेट करना एंड टू फाइंड कि हाँ ठीक है ये वाला प्रोडक्ट रिसाइकलेबल, क्योंकि बहुत जो छोटी चीजें होती है ना दैट तो आर गोइंग इनटू लाइक लैंडफिल। So we are like trying to build an awareness program as well कि source segregation पे थोड़ा focus करके, this is why we are also like within NCR we are also providing plastic pickup service as well.
Okay.
So
So
that's the
source
thing.
segregation
So
के
we
लिए मतलब like right from, if I am dispose my waste from my home, so I have to segregate it. Even if I do that, जो collect करने आते हैं they collect it all together ना, मतलब they don't have a process कि जिससे अलग अलग waste वो अलग अलग collect करे and take it differently, do they? Did we lose Sonal now?
हाँ, तो इसमें क्या होता है कि इसमें हमको मतलब गवर्नमेंट अपनी तरफ से कोशिश करती है, लेकिन लोगों की तरफ से रिस्पांस नहीं आ पाता, इसीलिए फिर वो ज्यादा नहीं करते। लेकिन अगर हम लोकल रिसाइकलर्स को दे, लाइक अगर हम ड्राई वेस्ट को हम लाइक जो कबाड़ी वाला है, अगर हम उनके थ्रू दें तो उसकी रिसाइकिलिटी बढ़ जाती है। क्या होता है कि जब वो मिक्स हो जाता है, वेट वेस्ट अगर उसमें मिक्स हो जाता है तो उसको एक लेवल और ज्यादा मतलब प्रोसेसिंग करनी पड़ती है, उसकी क्लीनिंग अलग से करनी पड़ती है, तो उसकी वैल्यू कम हो जाती है। तो जो छोटे लाइक इफ यू सी द चिप्स पैकेट, राइट, लेज वगैरह के जो पैकेट होते हैं, अगर वो वेट वेस्ट मिल गए तो वो उतनी छोटी अमाउंट को कोई नहीं उठाएगा कि अगर वो गंदा हो गया तो, लेकिन अगर वो साफ है तो वो उठाया जा सकता है।
अच्छा
और
अच्छा
उसको
अच्छा।
क्लीन करके हम एक साथ कबाड़ी वाले को अगर देंगे तो वो
तो
वहां से
मतलब
मतलब प्रॉफिट उठा
रादर
लेगा।
देन जो घर का वेस्ट कलेक्ट करने आते हैं उसकी जगह इफ यू गिव इट टू, मतलब जो कबाड़ी वाला वगैरह को दे दो, दो इट्स अ
हाँ
बेटर ऑप्शन। ओके
या
ओके, ठीक है।
लेकिन अगर जैसे घर से भी कोई उठाने आता है,
हाँ,
अगर वो सब सब ये करने लगे तो वो
सब
भी
लोग
फिर
अगर
उस
करें।
तरीके से उसको, हाँ वो फिर एक से लेगा दूसरे से, उसको मिक्स ही मिल रहा है, तो वो एक के
हाँ
लिए फिर वो उतने एफर्ट लेगा नहीं।
हाँ 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 हाँ, मतलब मतलब ये तो मैंने भी देखा है कि वंस दे कलेक्ट इट उसके बाद वो उसमें से वो छाट रहे होते हैं, कुछ कुछ लोग उसमें
हाँ
से अलग करते हैं वो कुछ कुछ लोग। बट हाँ, सब लोग ही अगर अलग अलग दे तो उनके भी जो वो ट्रक्स में आते हैं, एक साइड होता है, एक साइड ग्रीन होता है, एक साइड ब्लू होता है,
हाँ
ऐसा
हाँ या
ऑलरेडी
एग्जैक्टली।
सेपरेटेड तो होता है, बट वी डोंट गिव इट दैट वे, तो उनको कुछ ऑप्शन नहीं रह
हाँ
जाता। ठीक है
जी,
ठीक है। तो उसके बाद क्या प्रोसेस रहता है आपका?
उसके बाद इसमें क्या रहता है कि अभी जैसे मतलब यहाँ पे तो इतना ज्यादा सोर्स एग्रीगेशन पे हमको प्लास्टिक नहीं मिल पाता, तो इसको फिर हमको अपने एंड से इसकी क्लीनिंग वगैरह करनी पड़ती है, और क्लीनिंग बहुत ट्रिकी होती है इसकी। इसको बहुत, अगर हम वाटर को यूज कर रहे हैं तो
हाँ
वाटर का फिर हमको डिस्पोज भी देखना रहता है कि वो इको फ्रेंडली तरीके से हम उसकी क्लीनिंग करें।
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा
हाँ, और फिर हमने अपने लोकल कबाड़ी वाला से, रैक पिकर से कनेक्शन किया हुआ है, लाइक हम उनसे सोर्स करते हैं अपने प्लास्टिक को।
अच्छा
और
अच्छा
भी
अच्छा
बड़े वेंडर्स भी हैं।
अच्छा अच्छा। और ऐसे लैंडफिल्स या मतलब जहाँ पे वेस्ट डिस्पोज करते हैं, नॉट फ्रॉम दोस एरियाज?
वो बहुत डिफिकल्ट है और उसकी कॉस्टिंग काफी ज्यादा बढ़ जाती है, तो वहां से अभी नहीं हो पाता। हम इसलिए सोर्स एग्रीगेशन के लिए हम अवेयर भी करते हैं लोगों को कि तुम
हाँ
लैंडफिल तक ना जाएं। तो एक बार लैंडफिल अगर पहुंच गया तो फिर वहां से अगर मतलब कलेक्ट करना वो वर्थ नहीं रह जाएगा उसकी, मतलब काफी ज्यादा वैल्यू होगी, और इतने फिर जो कस्टमर्स हैं वो देने को तैयार नहीं रहते, लाइक दे हैव टू पे, कि बहुत छोटे प्रोडक्ट है उनको फिर काफी ज्यादा प्राइस देना पड़ेगा, तो वो उसकी वैल्यू नहीं
वर्थ इट
रहेगी
नहीं
फिर
हुआ।
उसकी।
हाँ
या
मतलब कस्टमर साइड से तो मतलब जितना भी हम उनके लिए इजी स्मूथ और एफिशिएंट बनाए प्रोसेस, उस उतना भी वो अडॉप्ट करेंगे, सिंस
या
मतलब इट्स अ न्यू थिंग एंड एनवायरनमेंट फ्रेंडली भी है, बट दे नीड टू अडॉप्ट इट ओनली इन दैट केस कि अगर वो एफिशिएंट हो उनके लिए।
या
So,
Okay.
so coming to the next part, obviously, matlab, once you get the raw materials, what are the processes after that? Matlab, you have mentioned in the website also you use some advanced technology to convert the plastic waste into the decor items that you are creating. So what is
या
that process exactly?
So, the machinery for making these boats, na, that is made by ourselves only. So,
Okay.
we are, yeah, making use of this process where we are, you got to know the process of collecting collection of raw material, right? So after the collection, what we are doing is, first we are converting into tiny flakes, and then
Hmm.
making the boats out of that. So we are like this machinery that we have made, we making use of that and then making the boats. And the other thing is that we are not using any external chemicals or thing, or any
Hmm.
color or something like that. So we are keeping it very only plastic, so that this is how we are ensuring the recyclability of the boats or the
Achha.
products. So that is
Okay.
the
Okay.
thing. Yeah, so we are not mixing even two types of plastic. We are not mixing uh, those or any other material as well. So that is
Okay.
how we are ensuring ki
So,
jo material. Hmm.
matlab, if you are like you make it into small pieces out of it and then the final product, right?
या
Yeah, yeah.
So if
फर्स्ट
it's
वी
of
मेक द
like,
बोर्ड।
sorry, yeah.
पहले हम मतलब उसको फ्लेक्स में कन्वर्ट करके फिर हम बोर्ड्स बनाते हैं, फिर
बोर्ड्स
उन
बनाते
बोर्ड्स को, या
हैं। अच्छा
इको बोर्ड्स, फिर उन
अच्छा
बोर्ड
अच्छा
से हम अपने अलग अलग टाइप के प्रोडक्ट बनाते हैं।
अच्छा 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 अच्छा। तो इको बोर्ड इज द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट यू मेक व्हिच कैन बी
या
यूज्ड डायरेक्टली
First
अदरवाइज
product.
आल्सो।
या
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा। एंड लाइक इफ इट इज मतलब अगर आपने टाइप 1 प्लास्टिक को स्मॉल पीसेस में कन्वर्ट करके
Hmm.
देन यू मेड द बोर्ड, देन लाइक इज देयर एनी कैटेगराइजेशन कि ये वाले बोर्ड टाइप 1 है, ये वाले बोर्ड टाइप 2 है? इज इट मतलब टाइप 2 वाले बोर्ड से कुछ एक पर्टिकुलर टाइप ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स बनते हैं, टाइप 1 से अलग बनते हैं? इज इट एनी फर्दर स्पेसिफिकेशंस लाइक दैट?
So, if we are terming type 1 as the exact type 1, so like type 1, which is PET bottle, na, so उस मटेरियल से we cannot make boats as of मतलब जो अभी तक की हमारी
अच्छा
अंडरस्टैंडिंग है, like we did the experimentation at the initial stage and we found out कि
अच्छा
there are sometimes some types which are working for us. So
ओके
currently we are working with those plastic types only. So जो PET bottle वाला सीन होता है type 1
हाँ
वाला, that
हाँ
is better to make fibers. So उससे fiber बनता है. You might have seen those ads these days कि shoes बन रहे हैं recycled material से, and there
हाँ
are
हाँ हाँ,
t-shirts
आई सॉ
also.
ब्रांड, क्या नाम था उसका, आई डोंट रिमेम्बर द नेम एग्जैक्टली, बट
Yeah,
दे मेक शूज फ्रॉम पीईटी बॉटल्स।
yeah. So that type
या
1 is PET bottle, and उससे हमारा ये बनता है yarn बोल सकते हैं या thread या इस
अच्छा
तरीके
अच्छा
का
अच्छा
structure.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा।
और इसकी काफी बड़ी मार्केट है, लाइक वो
हाँ
बहुत
हाँ.
इजीली रिसाइकेबल है, टाइप 1 बहुत इजीली रिसाइकल हो जाता
And
है।
the rugs, I think the rugs and carpets also, those people also
या
use type 1 or the PT bottles to make their threads and something.
या
So yeah, Weber was telling about the type 7 MLP plastic.
Yeah,
इट्स मोर
yeah.
डिफिकल्ट टू रिसाइकल।
So you guys use which kind of plastics?
Mostly
हम
type 2
एमएलपी से भी
and MLP
मोस्टली
as
टाइप
well.
2।
अच्छा, टाइप 2 एंड MLP. और उन दोनों
या
के जो प्रोडक्ट्स बनते हैं आर दे डिफरेंट, मतलब उनके लाइफ में या फिर उनके यूजेबिलिटीज?
Yeah. So like MLP is very hard to recycle, and also as of now there is no solution to that, right?
हम्म.
So we actually thought ki if we can make boats out of that, so that will be really good to because it is not recyclable and it is going to landfill, so हमारे लिए भी
हम्म.
that will be an achievement. And also since हम उस material को अगर recycle कर पा रहे हैं तो the environmental fact is also there. So but the thing is कि MLP waste को हम जब रिसाइकिल करते हैं या जब उससे बोर्ड बनाते हैं तो दैट आर नॉट वेरी गुड लुकिंग बोर्ड, आई वुड से. So we
Yeah.
cannot make use of those boards into commercial kind of a product. So we
Okay.
are having two product line. One is commercial product and other is these product that are mainly made to create awareness and all those things. So we are having these dustbins and benches that we are trying to install in public places, and also mentioning from what kind of material it is made of, so that we can create the awareness as well. So that's the thing, we are making those boards for that kind of product. And then जो हमारा जो हम other type plastic जो use कर रहे हैं, that we are trying to use it
For
क्योंकि उसमें
making the
क्वालिटी एंड फिनिश का अच्छा लाइक स्कोप रहता है, तो वी आर
टाइप 2
मेकिंग
से.
यूज ऑफ दैट. हाँ जी.
हाँ।
ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. गॉट इट. ठीक है. तो like coming to the next part, what is the architectural perspective? मतलब since this is a platform for architects and designers also, so what should they have in mind? What kind of customizations? How can, where do they find you? What kind of customizations are possible from you guys? How can they order from Ecodeco? And what is the architectural perspective from Ecodeco? And like for the end consumer also, what should they have in mind while coming to Ecodeco? What all products are available? जो different categories and everything.
Yeah, so if we have to go into architectural perspective, so for them there is this product like eco boards are basically that they are going to make use of in their designing, right?
Hmm.
So product is these boards, and for end consumers there are multiple products that we are having. They can can get in touch with website, or also we are very active on social media, so you can check out our page as well. So it's Ecodeco
Okay.
TRC basically. So Ecodeco,
Okay.
the recycle company, so it's Ecodeco TRC. And
Okay.
other than that, what they should keep in mind, especially for the designers or the architectural point of view, I would like to add this point ki this is a recycled material, right? So we cannot provide any specific colors or things like that, which is I understand their point कि उनको good अच्छा design चाहिए, and they want to experiment with the material also. We also want to experiment, but there are some constraints since we are working for like हमारा जो main cause है that is different. So right, so that is the thing. We are very open to collaborate or to do something for anybody who want to experiment with the material. So हम अपने end मतलब capacity में जितना कर सकते हैं, that we are very open to do that. We are not like कि हमारे पास यही color है तो we'll provide only this only. तो ऐसा नहीं है. If you have something in mind, if you want to use this material, we are open to do things for you. But you will also have to coordinate in the thing कि this is a recycled material, and since even though it is a waste material or recycle, but it needs process, so you can't compare it with something which is mass manufactured. So
Okay.
these are the 2 points that we have felt कि इस particular domain में हमें ये constraint थोड़ा सा रहता है. Other than that, we are also customizing products. So if any particular, like if any end consumer wants any product made from these boards or something like that, whatever products that we are having, we are very open to customize in that sense.
Or when you say boards, matlab they are just like MDF boards
Yeah,
and the same
MDF or plywood.
plywood. Okay, so same qualities, same usabilities. जहाँ भी वो use होते हैं वहाँ all you can use your boards as well.
Yeah, even these boards have like added benefits, I would say. Like these are waterproof. जहाँ पे termite का problem है, you can make use
Hmm.
of these boards. Wood में वो problem रहता है, इसमें वो
Hmm.
problem नहीं है. It is very good for outdoors. So अगर कोई किसी को
Yeah,
outdoor
weatherproof.
furniture में experiment करना है,
Hmm.
so
Hmm.
they can make use of this material. So these are the points. Like people, since it's a new material, so people, if at all people want to experiment, they should experiment in a way कि आप जो already available है उसे compare करके ना करो.
Hmm. Hmm.
Yeah.
Use like use your creativity. You know,
उसके हिसाब से
कि
मतलब
इस
plan
material
something
से
according to
कुछ
this
plan बनाए हैं,
respect.
कुछ designs बनाए
Material.
हैं. Then we can both collaborate and maybe we
Hmm.
can create something, you know, better. कि हम awareness भी create कर रहे हैं and there are some new designs as well. So that's the thing basically.
Definitely. मतलब उसके हिसाब से they should also plan so that you both can come up with something really beautiful and according
Yeah,
to their
I
aesthetics.
understand like designers have their own perspective कि उनको जो like क्या है कि what we got to understand is कि they have their channel of getting raw material for them or the materials or everything, right? So opting for a new material or for a new medium is very tough for them. I assume you might have also faced this issue क्योंकि you are trying to provide raw material to them जिसका उनके पास ऑलरेडी एक चैनल है तो
हाँ
opting a new channel
that
for them
shift that change in behavior उसके लिए it will definitely take time but
people
they
are
have
not
to
like
understand.
people are not very open to experiment or to do this thing. Even हमारे मशीनरी के लिए भी the kind of machinery we wanted जो मशीन बनाते हैं they were not very open to experiment कि हम ये टाइप का नहीं बनाते हैं तो हम नहीं बनाएंगे तो
how
that
did
is
you
how we
design your machines मतलब your background तो वहां से भी नहीं है.
So Vaibhav actually did that थोड़ा like open source जो भी information available है internet पे making use of that and then doing some Indian जुगाड़ and all those things. So we finally
So entirely
did
you
it.
made your materials by yourself only.
Yeah.
Yeah.
अच्छा तो how मतलब कितना mass production हो सकता है like if any architect is placing an order what will be the timeline कि इतने time में इतना product मिल सकता है और how's that?
So like production wise अभी तो हम ये नहीं कहेंगे कि हम उसको mass produce कर रहे हैं या उतने बड़े level में production कर रहे हैं क्योंकि अभी हमें other end से उतनी वो भी नहीं मिली है like we do not have that surety कि हाँ ठीक है उतने level में ये use होने वाला है material. So in that sense like depending upon कि since we are very initial stage और हमारा जैसे मान लीजिए कि हमारा सिर्फ board focus होता तो maybe we would have taken that in other like अलग तरीके से उसको treat करते हैं and then we would have focused on that since we have also taken this road where we are focusing on products as well so we are keeping a balance between that so if we get a good project or a collaboration or something in that sense so then we'll see कि हमें कैसे expand करना है and all those things so depending upon that we can decide on timelines and all those
so
things.
depending on the requirements you will fulfill it whatever it be.
Yeah.
We are open.
Got it. So coming to the conclusion of this podcast, in the beginning also you mentioned something that you're providing facilities to collect plastic waste from the home itself in Delhi NCR region.
Yeah.
So how can someone avail that facility? Matlab, if from here also if we want to send out the plastic waste to you guys, how to do that?
So you can get in touch with us like Instagram पे या फिर website पे भी we have also provided this information. So you can just DM us or you can WhatsApp us and we'll try to figure out कि how we can get in touch or like how we can get the material from you basically. So what we do is we basically plan some visits on regular basis and that frequency is not very frequent up till now. बट जैसे जैसे हमारे पास रिक्वेस्ट बढ़ते जा रहे हैं तो वी आर डिसाइडिंग कि हमें कितने फ्रीक्वेंसी में कलेक्शन के लिए निकलना है या व्हाटएवर the thing
Acha,
that is.
we
तो अभी क्या कर रहे हैं?
segregate it, we keep it with ourselves, and once you come to our places, we give it all to you, like that.
Yeah.
हाँ, सो आप बस प्लास्टिक अलग कर लो, आप टाइप्स में इतना मत जाओ, जस्ट
हाँ
लाइक कीप प्लास्टिक। अगर आप मिल्क के पैकेट्स डाल रहे हो या कुछ इस तरीके की चीजें डाल रहे हो, जस्ट ट्राई टू क्लीन इट एंड
Clean it.
उसको सूखा
हम्म
करके प्रॉपरली, बिकॉज दैट कैन
हम्म
हाइजीनिक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से दैट इज नॉट गुड। सो दैट्स द थिंग कि आप उसको बस अलग करिए एंड देन लेट अस नो व्हेनेवर यू हैव सम सफिशिएंट क्वांटिटी। एंड आल्सो इफ
अच्छा
वी आर व्हाट वी डू इज ना, वी क्रिएट अ रूट। तो
हम्म
हमारे यहाँ से एंड देन जो भी हमारा एंड पॉइंट है वहां तक के लिए
हम्म
वी क्रिएट अ रूट, एंड उस रूट पे वी विल बी टेलिंग योर टाइम कि हम इस टाइम पे आएंगे एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स, देन यू कैन गिव
हम्म
इट बैक टू अस। इवन दिस लाइक this collection thing is very like we look up to the collection wala day actually. So
अच्छा
yeah, there
अच्छा
is
अच्छा,
this
so you are
lady,
very excited about doing that and going out.
not excited but the response we get, and we get motivated by that कि लोग
Definitely,
Yeah.
मतलब
it takes a lot of efforts to segregate plastic. I
हाँ
understand
मतलब the
because I
people who
do
are
that.
doing it are really driven by the idea
Yeah,
that you are building.
exactly.
Yeah.
So that motivates us. Even क्या होता है कि when we are out for pickup, so the end point is decided कि एक like there's this lady,
हाँ हाँ
senior citizen है, and she is
हम्म
doing this because she's like very passionate about environment and all those things.
हम्म
And
हम्म
what she does is कि वो हमारे लिए हर बार ये कोई नई डिश बना के रखेंगी, एंड हम
वाओ
एंड डे जो लाइक एंड पॉइंट है दैट इज हर
हाँ
होम
हाँ
ओनली,
हाँ
and we'll go and we'll have that, and she would appreciate whatever we are doing. She gives a lot of motivation actually by the end
regular
of the
dose
day.
of motivation.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
are tired and we are motivated, so we look forward to that. So
Definitely,
that
I
is the
hope
thing which is
more and more
happening for the
people,
life.
I
Yeah,
hope
yeah,
start doing this so that you also get your raw materials readily. So what about the other kind of plastic, like Abhi, just when you collect it from the homes, you must be
yeah.
getting all kinds of plastics, right?
Yeah,
So what
true.
what do you do with the other types?
So for some types, we have like found some people who are actually recycling it. So we are
Okay.
sourcing it to them,
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा.
trying to source them. अभी हमारा actually उतना quantity में है नहीं, तो actually we haven't sourced, but
Hmm.
like we are trying to channelize that thing. And for the other
Yeah.
type which we are recyclable by us, like which we can recycle, we are making use of that. And some things we are keeping for the experiment thing. So there are some plastic which still
Hmm.
we have not experimented कि वो recycle हो सकता है या नहीं हो सकता है, so that we are keeping aside, as and when we get the time. So we try to make use of even like we this person, she um, send this जो ये होता है ना, she is having an optical shop. So yeah, I was saying कि तो उन्होंने बल्कि ये सजेशन दिया कि ये प्लास्टिक टाइप है, आई डोंट नो व्हाट टाइप ऑफ प्लास्टिक इट इज, आई विल
Hmm.
सेंड यू एंड यू सी इफ वी कैन डू समथिंग आउट ऑफ दैट. सो वी हैव पीपल लाइक दैट एज वेल जो खुद भी मतलब कंट्रीब्यूट करना चाह रहे हैं. तो वी आर
Hmm.
कीपिंग दिस टाइप ऑफ प्लास्टिक या और भी जो भी है जो हमें अपने रेगुलर कलेक्शन से मिलता है, we are
हाँ.
keeping that aside for the experimentation things. So
Hmm.
that is how we are like making use of whatever we are collecting. We are not
Hmm.
throwing away anything, that we are ensuring कि हम ला रहे हैं तो वो फेंकेंगे तो नहीं. We will do
Hmm.
something out of that. Even we get some
Definitely.
ideas कि हम अगर बोर्ड नहीं बना रहे हैं तो maybe we can make use of this waste in some other way, maybe some through some art project or something like that. So we keep experiment like thinking of that as well कि अगर बोर्ड नहीं तो what else. So that's the
Hmm.
thing.
So, matlab, if anyone is giving their plastic waste to EcoDeco, then it will be used in a very
Yeah,
environment friendly way. More and
Yeah.
more
exactly.
people should be doing that.
Exactly. Like
Okay, okay.
like people should understand the
Hmm.
कि उसके पीछे का मतलब मोटिव क्या है बेसिकली, क्यों
Hmm.
इम्पोर्टेंट है, एंड अपनी कैपेसिटी में जिससे जो हो सकता है पीपल शुड डू दैट. आई
Definitely.
विल नॉट से कि आप प्रोडक्ट खरीदो हमसे, बट प्लीज बाय दिस आइडिया ऑफ व्हाई वी आर डूइंग दिस. प्लीज
Matlab,
गो.
the small steps, whatever anyone can take, that
Exactly.
will be helpful towards the project and the motive, the thing that you are building.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you for connecting. It was really great session talking to you, and I got to know a lot about the entire process or plastic के types. मतलब we just use it. We are not concerned about it. मतलब हमें we are not like we don't know कि हम कितना create कर रहे हैं the waste and the pollution that we are creating, या फिर उसमें भी इतनी सारी चीजें like you mentioned, मतलब जो लेस के पैकेट्स है और वो सब चीजें, they are the most polluting, but वही है जो most used है. like आपने भी वहां पे हिमाचल में wherever you went for the trek, वहां पे भी सबसे ज्यादा उसी kind of plastic ही मिला होगा, which is like very dangerous to the environment and but still in the most large quantity. So people
Exactly.
should be shifting to this mindset of helping the environment along with the when they are growing, rather than polluting it or harming it in any ways.
Exactly. Even you will be surprised to know there are more than 2000 landfills in India on record basis. So you
Okay.
can understand like those mini landfills that we have ना, हमारे घर के आसपास हर जगह कचरा इकट्ठा होता है, वो उस रिकॉर्ड में है ही नहीं.
है ही नहीं है.
तो वो जो वो है ही नहीं. तो जो 2000 हैं वो ऑन रिकॉर्ड, जो बड़े बड़े वाले लैंडफिल्स हैं,
हाँ.
2000 लाइक ऑन रिकॉर्ड. और ये डेटा भी थोड़ा पुराना ही है. तो यू नेवर नो कि लाइक अभी करंट जो डेटा होगा एंड अगर हम इनको इंक्लूड कर लेंगे तो वो कितना हो जाएगा. तो पीपल रियली लाइक नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस एंड टू एक्ट अपॉन दैट.
मतलब
जितना हमारे कैपेसिटी में है.
इंडिया में तो बिहेवियर ही लाइक ऐसा ही है कि if we use something we just throw it away. मतलब very few people are there who are even मतलब throwing it in dustbins or disposing it in a right way. हाईवेज में हो गए या फिर ऐसे साइट्स में हो गए, they just throw it away. या फिर छोटे से शॉप भी हो, they just throw it away.
Yesterday only this thing happened. One there was this girl in a car and she opened the door and she ऐसे करके 2 पैकेट बाहर फेंक दिया एंड बंद कर दिया.
अब उसके
I
बगल में
don't know
डस्टबिन था.
what बगल में डस्टबिन था. पता नहीं क्या
मतलब
माइंडसेट है लोगों का. Why are they doing this?
This is the behavior change that we need to bring in our community to
Exactly.
bring a difference.
Exactly.
बाकी कंट्रीज में तो फिर भी होते हैं शायद प्रॉपर वे ऑफ डिस्पोजिंग एंड
There you have to give fine ना if you are
वो
not doing it
फाइन
properly.
है
Exactly.
इसीलिए वहां पे.
वो एक फियर है, फियर की वजह से कर लेते हैं.
फियर के वजह से. जैसे हेलमेट भी यहाँ पे तभी पहनते हैं क्योंकि फाइन है.
हाँ,
उनको इससे
हाँ,
फर्क नहीं
हाँ.
पड़ता कि वो सेफ्टी के लिए.
मतलब अब
People are
तो लोग
using
मास्क
CNG because it is cheaper, not because it is good for the environment.
not at all,
So
not at all.
that's the thing. वो mindset ही वैसा है.
हाँ, बस यही है. ठीक है. It was great connecting with you. I hope we will be connecting in future as well once you grow different product lines and all those things. We will be connecting.
Definitely.
Okay, thank you.
Definitely. Okay,
so much.
thank you so much.